Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good morning. What's up, good people? Good morning. Good morning, good evening. Wherever you are watching from, it's a rainy day in the UK. Rainy, rainy, rainy. Not so rainy, but windy. So, how are you doing, guys? I hope you're having a good New Year. Hope you're enjoying your New Year 2024. What's the plans for 2024, guys? Beautiful weather here. Rain. Just recording this video from my phone. That's why you see it's a bit more shaky, because I'm using a phone. How's everything? How's been your day? Hope you are back. The euphoria is over. Back to normal business. What's up? What's up? Zimbabwe, what's up? I heard there were floods in Zimbabwe. In Budiriro of all the places. It was raining and it was flooding. And people's houses and properties got washed away. Is that true? Is that true? South Africa, how are you, South Africa? What's up? What's up, Muzanzi for sure. I saw people complaining about the hot weather in South Africa. Summer. This time, Southern Africa. It has been raining loads. It has been too hot. And the rains were late, especially in Zimbabwe. So people are predicting that this year is going to be a drought year. Let me know how the situation is. Yes, if you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, if you guys subscribed, if you haven't subscribed, guys, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I will be bringing you beautiful live travel videos and basically my lifestyle videos. So maybe you can learn one or two things. So I'm testing this iPhone here. They say the iPhone the iPhone camera is one of the best video cameras you can have at the moment, comparing to the Samsung. They say iPhone is topping the charts. Let's see if we zoom here. How far it zoom. I think this is a camera that I love to be using for my recording, because I need to zoom in. See where they are fixing that? I need to zoom in and zoom out. Zoom out. As I show you those lovely, beautiful pictures. So let's check again the zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. So because I'm walking, the camera won't be that good. Which camera should I buy that can do this zoom in, zoom out? Well, let me check here. Zoom in, zoom in, the screen because it's wetty. Yeah, so just coming from the doctor. I had an appointment with the GP for some blood tests. Life is good here. The health system is good. I think it's good. You get checked. This is just for a routine check. Not that I'm sick, but just to check, and make sure that we are ahead of diseases. So happy to wait for the results. Right, so I'm home now. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you my house. You're gonna see my face. Right. It's raining. It's nice weather here. Let me check some letters here in the box. Okay, no letter. Yeah, so we're just gonna be in bed, laying in bed, lib. I'm gonna be lib today. Lib in bed. Yes, I'm just going to open my door here. Oh, this door is a bit hard to open. Okay. Yes. So I'm home now. This is the view, the outside view. The house, look at the town, all the way to your doorstep. That's Europe for you. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we shall meet again.